In this video, I will show you how to build business credit with EIN. So EIN is actually the employee identification number, and you can use it to open a small business for now. So it helps you maintain a credit history separate from your personal credit history. They have the business benefits of having good business credit, and they demonstrate separation between owners and businesses. So this is actually really good because on some cases if you're using your personal history credit, if you have some unspeakable debts right there, it will affect your credit history for your actual business. So for this one, you first need to obtain an EIN. So this is actually a federal tax identification number, which is basically a social security number for business. And you need to use it in order to incorporate or form an LLC and create a business that is legally separate from the owner. Now open a business bank account that actually uses or supports EIN and establish a business phone number, website, business credit file, business credit cards, and establish your line of credit or vendors or suppliers and make sure to pay your bill on time.